Hello guys, now we are going to learn what is the IP in Wireshark Lab. In IP, as you know, we can see the IP addresses and other things like port, source, and everything. If you want to see the live graphs of it, then you can download http://pingplotter.com. I'm just here simply downloading the already done Wireshark Lab packet. Here you can download from this link. As I'm already downloaded Wireshark track, you need to download. So I'm canceling this one. Now open Wireshark. Then simply click open. Then here in the folder Wireshark track, select IP. Okay, then click open. You may see the this is the interface of IP1. Now we are going to solve the questions. First question, select the first ICMP echo request message sent by the computer and expand the internet protocol packet in the packet details window. Here as you see, first select ICMP means you need to filter ICMP request and then expand internet protocol part. Simple steps. First filter ICMP. Okay, I have filtered ICMP as it said. Then just expand internet protocol. Okay. Then expand this internet protocol. Okay. Here you see, just enlarge it how much you need. I'm doing some bit long. So this is the I have expanded. This is the first question solution. Then and what is the and here subpart is what is the IP address of your computer. What is the internet IP address of my computer means here you may say this is the destination path, this is the server where I am going to send, this is my source, and this is other servers one. And second question, within the IP packet header, what is the value in the upper layer protocol field? Here you may see ICMP 1. If you need this PDF, I will mention in the description. Now open the again. Then just expand internet protocol version. In that one, ICMP1. Here you may see protocol ICMP1 as we filtered already ICMP1. Then third question, how many bytes are in the IP header? In UDP, we have seen each bytes 2 and finals it's about 8 bytes. But here in IP address, it's 20 bytes. In Wireshark, you may see here header length is 20 bytes. Then next question, how many bytes are in the payload of the IP datagram? Explain how you determine the number of payloads. Here asked payload. Here payload means among total length minus you need to separate header length. So it's nothing but 80 minus 20, 64. 64. This is a theory type question. Next is, has this IP datagram has been fragmented? Explain how you can determine the here as theoretical part, not fragmented but practically if we want to see, then here from identification below you can see fragment offset 0, more fragments not set. Verify from this simple expand flags offset 0 and more fragments not set. And which fields in the IP datagrams always change from one datagram to the next within the series of ICMP messages sent by the computer. Here ICMP field mentioned sent from the computer always not in series is incremented by 1 always. Here you may first need to select the sending one, where actually the sending one run. Here come to the time, then this is the send one eighth serial. Mm, Select only sending part. Okay, first packet. Here you may see the identification 0.32 and 13,008. And if you go to next means it will increment, and next means increment. So it's different. And time to leave and header chips sums also simple. Here time to leave, you can see how much time it takes, and this is the checksum validation disabled. Here see identification, time to leave, and header checksum. And as you know, there we have already mentioned four header, and those are source to destination, header length, IP version. Here source, destination, header checksum, and final top there is length, total length. This is the solution of sixth. Here you may also see source destination version header length as I shown. And which fields machines means here identification always changes, and time to lead and exact time the sending messages and receiving messages, and header checksum fields also changes. Here you may see identification always changes, time to lead depending upon the sending and receiving, and checksum verified or not verified. It's shown. Describe the pattern you see in the values in the identification field of the datagram. Describe the pattern you see in the values in the identification of pattern. As I earlier mentioned, that identification is always increased by 1. Every time when you see, it increases by 1. So the solution is simply 1. Thanks for watching. Until goodbye.